In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete a file in Google Drive. If you've ever cleaned up your drive only to realize the file is still taking up space in trash, this walkthrough will show you how to remove it for good. A quick reminder before we start, permanently deleting a file means it's gone for good from your account and can't be recovered, so proceed only when you're absolutely sure. First, log into Google Drive using your web browser. Once you're in, take a moment to confirm you're in the correct account, especially if you switch between personal and work profiles. This helps avoid deleting the wrong file. Next, look to the left-hand side of the screen for the navigation panel. Click on Trash. If you don't immediately see it, try expanding the menu. Trash is where items go after you initially remove them from My Drive. They sit here until you either restore them or delete them forever. Inside Trash, find the file you want to remove permanently. Click once on that file to select it. A single click is enough, no need to open it. You'll typically see details on the right and a toolbar appear at the top, which confirms the item is selected. At the top toolbar, you'll notice two key options: Restore and Delete Forever. Restore will put the file back where it originally lived in your drive, which is helpful if you've changed your mind. Since we're aiming to remove it completely, we're focusing on Delete Forever. Go ahead and click the Delete Forever button. You'll likely see a confirmation prompt. This is your last chance to make sure you've selected the correct file. Double-check the file name and any details you see. If it's the right one, confirm the action. The file will be permanently removed and the storage it occupied will be freed. Depending on the size of the file and your internet connection, this may take a moment. A couple of helpful notes as you finish up. You can only permanently delete items that are in your trash, and in many cases, you must be the owner to remove them forever. For shared items or files in a shared drive, your ability to delete might depend on the permissions set by the owner or your organization. If you're unsure, restoring the file temporarily to verify its contents and then sending it back to trash is a safe way to confirm you've got the right one before deleting forever. That's it. Log in, open Trash, select the file, and choose Delete Forever. Thanks for watching, and take care when using this option since it can't be undone.